Okay, guys, check this thing out. Why is that still floating? She's old. She's flying a Malaysian flag, which makes sense. This is Malaysia after all. But look at the plank on the bow. They're hanging off. Maybe she's in the process of being scrapped. Before, when I saw these, they had a big dome over the top, a wooden dome. Somebody aboard there, a couple of guys. Why is that old, huh? She was probably nice in her day, but I think her day ended about 50 years ago. I can't imagine the living accommodations aboard there is very nice. Got its own hydraulic crane. Like they use these for cargo ships, cargo vessels, I think, going back and forth to the islands. Yeah, I don't think I'd go out of the harbor in this thing. Can't see down in the hold, but look at all the oil on the wood there. And that crane looks nice, but there's 50 years of oil soaked into that wood. It's got an awful small radar. I'd have to say this is the history of Malaysian shipping. I don't know how long she is, maybe 50, 60 feet. She looks small compared to that thing. Somebody's got their laundry out to dry. This is the Strait of Johor. And what we're looking at over here is Singapore. Some nice houses by the look of it. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. She's in rough shape. Can't believe they still use this. Somebody's frying something. Still cooking on there. Amazing. know at the start I thought they were condemning this thing, but they're not. She's still in service now. There was never a dome on the front of this one. This is how she is. She's just waiting for her next mission. I don't think I'd go to Singapore in this thing, and you could almost swim across there.